That's check number 3. Test check number 3 and 4 failed, and the ice cream sundae exploded.
Now that we got that out of the way, on to animal subjects.
Maybe if the animals don't work, we can try planes next.
It's time for lunch anyways. Where do you want to go?
I'm feeling pizza.
Over here you will see lithium that we use in our batteries, and over here you will see aluminum that goes in the airplanes.
I don't know where we are, but I think we're lost. Let's go look for a map.
Let's split up. And if we don't find anything, meet back up here.
Ow. There.
I didn't find anything.
Let's grab that phone and call our teacher.
Hey guys, check out this button.
No, don't push the red button! Here, let the master do it.
Did the room just get bigger or did we shrink?
Dude, someone pressed the button. That means that the molecule sized in the room.
That means we should watch where we step.
How are we going to get bigger?
I have no idea.
Who's that coming from over there?
I'm H2O.
You're water.
No, I'm H2O.
Do you even know what H2O is?
Yes, it's me.
No, it's water, which is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom.
What else? Do you guys want to get bigger?
Yes!
Answer this question. What atoms are used in eggs?
That's easy.
Sulfur!
You guys have been spending too much time at TechPlayzone. Just wait a minute and the effects will wear off.
Whoa!
Whoa, how did you guys shrink?
The master pushed the button. Yeah, blame the master.
Hey, but you were about to push the button.
Hey, calm down. At least you guys are okay now. Let's take you back to your class.
Mind your manners.